whose memory is really
Dude,
messed up?
no, because it's going to make way more sense if you guys have it written down. So that way we can all take a look at them if you have any questions. Yeah. Computer. Okay, I'm making a video for Miss Cole, so shh. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the YouTube link. Instead of taking the embed code, I know what you're thinking there, but if you go to copy, if you go back to Schoology, what I do is instead of like putting it on like in week 4 here, I would make a page. So if you add a page, let's just say I call this page test page for Mrs. Cole. Ignore anything there. Insert content. Now I can insert a link. And then when I do that, I'm going to paste, call it Cole link, insert. That gives me that link, right? That's not what I want. So instead what I want to do is I want to insert content from YouTube. Now you don't have to go to that link like I copied right away. I can just search myself because I'm going to go off of my YouTube account. So I was looking for the CMS Sunrise video. That was the name of it. So now I can just click this, and then I can import. I can import as an embed. So then it'll come in like that. It won't give you those instructions on the side, and I can add anything else I want to my page. So when I hit create, now I will have this page completed. And so when I click on this, it just has this YouTube video in here. The reason I do it that way also is because I like building pages, and I'm not sure if people are familiar with that. Okay, no, it is my computer apps class. I'll show you an example of a complete. Oh, of course. Okay, week 3, I created a page for a virtual assignment for email signatures. Instead of posting a video like this, I didn't like that, so I created the page so I could have a bunch of different videos on here. You won't get that warning doing it this way, and it embeds them in here nicely for you, and they're a decent size. So I think that's kind of the key, is using, when you go back to your materials, if you go to your weeks, when you add a material, adding a page. I hope that helps. Let me know if that doesn't, or if you need more explanation or something.